Space is beautiful, but it's also terrifying. And the galaxy we call home, the Milky Way, is no exception. Today, we're diving into the scariest truths about our galaxy. From invisible monsters to cosmic collisions, what you're about to learn might just keep you up at night. At the heart of the Milky Way lies a monster, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A*. It's over 4 million times the mass of our sun, and it's invisible. We can see it directly, but we know it. It's there because of how it warps space and flings stars around like toys. Some of those stars orbited at speeds of over 3,000 miles per second. That's fast enough to circle Earth in under 3 seconds. If Earth were any closer, we'd be torn apart by its gravity. And here's the scary part. Black holes don't just sit still. They grow, they feed, and sometimes they wake up. Scientists believe Sagittarius A* is currently dormant, but it hasn't always been. Evidence suggests it was active millions of years ago, blasting out radiation and matter in massive jets. If it ever wakes up again, the consequences could ripple across the galaxy. But that's not the only black hole we should worry about. There are likely millions of smaller black holes scattered throughout the Milky Way. Some are the remnants of dead stars. Others may be primordial, formed in the earliest moments of the universe. These black holes are nearly impossible to detect unless they interact with something. One could be drifting silently through space, right now, heading our way. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with our neighboring galaxy, Andromeda. This isn't science fiction, it's a cosmic certainty. Both galaxies are on a collision course at about 250,000 miles per hour. When galaxies collide, stars don't usually crash into each other, but their gravitational forces wreak havoc, ripping apart star systems, triggering supernova, and possibly flinging our solar system into deep space. Simulations show that Earth might survive the collision, but the night sky will change forever. Instead of a familiar band of stars, we'll see a chaotic swirl of light, 2 galaxies merging into one. And that's not the only collision in our future. The Milky Way has already consumed dozens of smaller galaxies. It's a cosmic cannibal, growing by devouring its neighbors. Remnants of these ancient galaxies still orbit us, like ghosts. Some of the stars in our sky were born in other galaxies, long ago, before being captured by the Milky Way's gravity. Not everything in the Milky Way is safely orbiting a star. There are rogue planets, worlds without suns drifting in eternal darkness, and rogue stars ejected from their galaxies, racing through space at millions of miles per hour. Some of these could pass dangerously close to our solar system, disturbing the delicate balance of our orbits. One wrong encounter, and Earth could be thrown into the void. Even more chilling, some scientists believe there could be rogue black holes, completely invisible, wandering the galaxy. We wouldn't see them coming. We'd only know when it was too late. Gamma-ray bursts are the most powerful explosions in the universe. They can release more energy in 10 seconds than our sun will in its entire lifetime. If one happened close enough to Earth, it could strip away our atmosphere and wipe out life in an instant. Some scientists believe a gamma-ray burst may have caused a mass extinction on Earth 450 million years ago, and the Milky Way has had them before. We just don't know when the next one will strike or if it's already on its way. Most of the Milky Way is invisible, yet roughly 85% of its mass is made of something we can't see or touch: dark matter. We don't know what it is. We don't know how it works. But we know it's there. It holds the galaxy together. But it could also be hiding dangers we can't even imagine. What if dark matter isn't just passive? What if it can interact with us in ways we haven't discovered yet? Some theories suggest dark matter could decay, releasing energy or particles that might affect normal matter. Others propose it could clump into dark stars or even black holes. We're surrounded by it, and we're still in the dark. Then there's the galactic halo, a vast, invisible sphere of stars, gas, and dark matter that surrounds the Milky Way. It's full of ancient stars and mysterious objects. Some of them are older than the galaxy itself. These stars may have come from other galaxies, swallowed by the Milky Way over billions of years. Our galaxy is a cannibal. It grows by devouring others. Ow. And what about the stars we can see? Many of them are unstable. Some are ticking time bombs, massive stars nearing the end of their lives, ready to explode as supernova. A nearby supernova could bathe Earth in deadly radiation, could destroy our ozone layer, trigger climate collapse, or even cause mass extinction. One candidate is Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the Orion constellation. It's nearing the end of its life. When it goes supernova, it will light up our sky and remind us how fragile life really is. Perhaps the scariest thing about the Milky Way is the silence. There are over 100 billion stars, trillions of planets, and yet, no sign of intelligent life. Are we truly alone? Or is something out there watching? Fermi Paradox asks. If the galaxy is so full of potential, where is everyone? Some scientists suggest we're early. Others think intelligent civilizations destroy themselves before they can spread. And some believe something or someone is keeping the galaxy quiet. Could there be a great filter, an invisible barrier that prevents life from advancing too far? Or are we simply not listening the right way? The Milky Way is our home, but it's also a place of unimaginable forces, ancient mysteries, and cosmic threats. It reminds us how small we are, how much we still don't understand. If you enjoyed this journey into the dark side of our galaxy, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What scares you the most about space?